Not sure how to prune your own trees and shrubs? And you don't want to spend more than necessary hiring a company to come out and do it for you? A lot of homeowners are willing to do some pruning themselves. The problem is they don't want to guess. And they don't want generic advice that doesn't fit the plants they actually have. I'm Jeremy with the Tree Stylist. I offer DIY pruning guidance sessions. That means personalized pruning guidance for the actual trees and shrubs in your yard. This isn't just general information about pruning. Different trees and shrubs should be handled differently. The guidance is built around what you actually have, what shape it's in, and what you're trying to accomplish, and what kind of cuts make sense for that particular plant. You send clear photos of the overall plant, the base, the branching structure, and specific areas you're thinking about pruning. Then I help you understand what I'm seeing, what should stay and what can go, where to be cautious, and where to start. That means I could help you identify deadwood and rubbing branches, overextended limbs, crowded growth, shaping issues, or structural concerns. It could also help you avoid making cuts that would be fine for one plant but bad for another. That's the value here. Not every tree or shrub should be pruned the same way. These sessions are meant to help you understand your own plants, not just pruning in general. That way you might not have to pay more than necessary for a whole pruning job. And you also don't have to hand your landscape over blindly. I've seen a lot of pruning done by employees that were sent out to do a job but really didn't understand the tree or shrub they were working on. Some are very good, but some aren't. If it were my landscape, I would want to know what should go and what should stay, and what good pruning should actually look like before turning it over to just anybody. You can make more informed decisions and feel more confident about the cuts you're making, and take better care of your own landscape. I can help you understand that too before you go too far. If you want personalized pruning guidance for your own trees and shrubs, book a DIY pruning guidance session with a Tree Stylist.